guys, and welcome back to another video. So no, I don't just wear the same shirt all the time, even though I really love the shirt. It's super cute. I'm doing a little bit of pre-filming the last few weeks because I'm going on a really fun Christmas vacation with my family, which you will see some awesome pics over on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me over there, you really gotta be following me because I am posting tons of really cute modest fashion pictures with a lot of modest fashion tips for you guys. And so yeah, make sure you guys are following me over there for lots of fun updates and giveaways. Guys, I do so many giveaways over there. If you're not following me, you're really missing out on free stuff. So anyways, today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you the makeup that I brought with me on my mission. So for starters, I served in Lima, Peru, which is very humid, and also a little bit cold during the winter, but mostly humid. I actually come from a fairly dry part of California, so really all this makeup is pretty much stuff I would use really about anywhere in the whole world. I have normal skin. It's not super oily, it's not super dry. I'm not very acne prone. I do break out, and so I mean, this is the makeup that I really like, but this is more just a video of giving you guys like kind of like a generic list of products that I like, but also stuff that I brought with me on a mission, compared to the makeup that I like wear now, which is a little more extensive with, you know, some false eyelashes and stuff like that. This is very basic stuff that I brought, but this is everything that I brought with me. So let's go ahead and go into this video and my makeup bag. I mentioned this in my packing video last year. I brought with me a clear makeup bag, and guys, this is a lifesaver because you'll be pretty much living out of a makeup bag for your year and a half. You really aren't gonna have like maybe you'll have a dresser, I don't know. The apartments I lived in were really ghetto, so like we didn't have nice things, I know, but this just made like packing a lot easier, and it made just getting ready a lot easier by having a clear makeup bag, because then you can see everything in it. So I guess I can kind of go in an order a little bit of like the order you'd put on makeup. I went ahead and brought makeup with me. Some of it was new. I didn't really like go and buy all new stuff because I knew, you know, I'm still in a very populated part of the country where they have like a Walmart kind of place that I could go buy like Maybelline makeup. But if you like very specific makeup products, maybe, you know, a Sephora brand or something like that, I would probably suggest stocking up on it if you're not planning on being in the United States or in a European country, because if you're in South America, Africa, and I don't know about Asia, you're not going to find a lot of cosmetic stores. And so Maybelline is pretty much going to be your worldwide go-to. So if you don't like Maybelline, then you better stock up on whatever you want to bring. What I have here is some CoverGirl BB cream. I love BB cream because it is very moisturizing and often has sunscreen in it. So it's basically like a tinted moisturizer. So it gives you a good base. And then I also did bring with me like an actual foundation. But guys, I probably only used this about 10 times my whole mission. You go through this weird phase. Like before my mission, I had to wear makeup all the time. If not, like I couldn't go outside. I was kind of a weirdo. And I never really had that bad of breakouts, but I just didn't feel very confident. And your mission just changes your whole mindset about that. You go through weird phases with makeup as a missionary. I remember thinking that, you know, wearing mascara on my bottom lashes was like too much. But honestly, the rules as far as makeup goes is pretty much like don't wear rainbow eyeshadows and like all together, and then like just be professional about your makeup. So like I never once have seen a missionary that like is overdoing her makeup, and you don't have to wear makeup either. That's a big misconception. They encourage you to look more professional, but like, I mean, just throwing on some mascara and doing your eyebrows was pretty much the height of my makeup routine every day. I did always wear a BB cream most of the time because it did have sunscreen in it, and sunscreen is so important. Even if you're serving in a country that is winter year-round, wear sunscreen. So one of my favorite products actually is, and these are cheap, this is like from Neutrogena. It's a primer, they call it, but it's really just a sunscreen. You can get tinted sunscreens. Make sure you get a facial one though, because if you are going to be sweating and things like that, your face obviously is different than the rest of your body, so make sure you get a sunscreen that is meant for a face, so that way then it doesn't cause you to break out, it doesn't mess with your skin. Definitely suggest that. Huge help. So yeah, BB cream, awesome. Real foundation, I kind of used for like fancy meetings, but honestly, like I've said before in other videos, even if maybe you are going to, you know, meet with a mission president, or you have some special like, you know, ward Christmas party that you're going to as missionary, the rest of the day, you're still going to be being a normal missionary, contacting on the street, you know, riding your bike around. It's not like a chill day. Like there aren't chill days in the mission that, you know, are just days for you to get all done up and enjoy it. So you're always going to be working, so just remember that. So those are a couple of foundations that I really liked. As far as application goes, I think I might have had a beauty blender sponge, but I also think I had a foundation brush, but probably a lot of time I think I just used my hand, which is kind of gross, but like make sure you wash your hands. So that was that. As far as concealer goes, I really like this. This stuff lasts forever. It is the Benefit Erase Paste, and I am shade Fair because I'm pale as ever, and so this stuff is awesome. It's like a little pot of foundation, and I would just use my fingers for this because that's kind of what it's meant to. And this stuff, I actually think this is still from my mission. That's kind of disgusting. But I think my mom did send me like one like halfway through, but I think this is the one she actually sent too. So I've been home for 1.5 years now, guys. But that stuff is awesome, lasts you a long time. So bring a concealer with you because like I said, most of the time I would just do sunscreen or a BB cream and then a concealer on like my under eyes and just like wherever kind of was breaking out. So then I just had like a very light base, but I still felt pretty and presentable. Then make sure you have a setting powder. I did have a big powder brush with me. Whatever setting powder that you like. I would also suggest bringing a pressed powder because those are really nice. Sometimes, like, you know, when you're not wearing a lot of foundation, you still want, you know, a nice even skin tone. So a pressed powder is a good way to get like a light feel on your skin, but also have, you know, coverage. So bring a setting powder to set your makeup with too. As far as blush goes, I was not super into blush on my mission. I brought one with me. I brought one of these Dream Bouncies because you don't need a brush. I would literally just swipe it like this and then like kind of blend it out with my finger. They come in lots of pretty colors. Lasted me my entire mission. Just to give my face a little bit of color. I also brought with me a Too Faced Cocoa Contour. This thing is old. Pretty sure I bought this when I was like a sophomore in high school. This inside of it is basically just a contour thing, like a very basic one. It was great though. I used it pretty much every day in my mission just to give my face some definition and like some color back into it. So it has a couple different bronzers, which are great for doing like your cheeks and maybe under your jaw, whatever. Then it also has a light tone to kind of like highlight your face, and then it has a very nice highlighter. This was before highlighting was really a thing, guys, but this is a really just nice shimmer, so that way like you still get like the feel of a highlight and you still feel really pretty, but without, you know, the craziness of the highlight today. It came with a brush inside of it. I would definitely suggest getting makeup products like eyeshadows and maybe blushes and stuff like this that has a brush in it, because your brushes get disgusting in a makeup bag, as most of you guys know, and so when it just has the brush in it, it stays a lot cleaner, and then it's only for that product. Okay, what else here? Definitely always bring a chapstick with you guys. Bring a couple of your favorite. I am a Carmex girl through and through. Did they even sell Carmex in Peru? I don't think they did. So I had to improvise sometimes because I ran out. But I think I brought like literally like 5 of these, and they are amazing. They have sunscreen in them. Whatever chapstick or lip product you're using, make sure it has sunscreen. Then also, okay, what else do we got here? As far as brows go, I always did my brows every day because even if I wasn't wearing foundation, just having your brows done makes you look a lot more put together, in my opinion. So I had a brow pencil, and I always have one that has like a little bit of a spoolie on it. That helps a lot. And then a brow setter, like a setting gel, because yeah, you do lots of crazy things as a missionary and you don't want your eyebrows looking all wonky. So as far as mascara goes, I brought a waterproof and a just regular one. I use the regular one more often than not because waterproof is really hard on your lashes, especially to get off. And use this time, this 1.5 years as a missionary, to just detox your skin. Guys, my eyelashes grew like crazy because I didn't wear waterproof mascara, and I just took a lot better care. I also had coconut oil that I would rub on my eyelashes every night, and oh, my eyelashes and my skin was just so much happier because it wasn't having to deal with tons of makeup every day like it is now. And yeah, so a couple different types of mascara I would definitely suggest. Then as far as eyeshadow, I literally brought 1 palette. I did bring this Naked 2 palette that I also bought when I was like a sophomore in high school. And this is a great, I would just bring basic colors. You know, if you're a fan of bright colors and you want to use like a couple of those at a time, I go for it. I mean, you're you can still be you and still have your personality as a missionary, so don't think that, but I'm just a natural tone girl. So this Naked 2 palette I love, and it is very well used, but it had, you know, plenty of colors to where some days if I did want eyeshadow, which was honestly maybe not even once a month, but I use this thing. So yeah, and make sure whatever palette you do get can handle travel, because this thing went through some stuff and luckily did not break. Or also look up on Pinterest, there's entire little infographics about how to fix a broken pan of makeup, and it's really easy to do, and you can do it on your mission if and when your stuff does break. So that's a great thing. One product I really like now, which would also be cool if you're a little bit more into blush than I was as a missionary, this Maybelline, well, there's a couple different kinds of them. These Maybelline blush palettes are really nice, because then you kind of have a full range, so kind of whatever you're wearing you can complement with it to give your face some more color. I like this a lot, and it's pretty cheap, and also pretty unbreakable, so that's a great one too. Then I would definitely suggest a setting spray, because you, like I said, will be running around doing crazy things, sweating and touching your face and all those gross things. So bring a setting spray. I love this one by Tarte. It is the Rainforest of the Sea setting spray, and it's very moisturizing, which is great. And I love that. Set my makeup, even if my makeup was just, you know, some mascara and my eyebrows, then I just felt like it was just very refreshing. So that's a great thing to get too. As far as lips goes, I didn't bring a whole lot of lip products. I brought a couple of these Rimmel London lipsticks. I had a nude, and then I think I didn't have a red. I mostly just had nudes, and then I also had like these little baby lips, because they're also great chapsticks too, but they do have a pink one, which this was really fun and very light. This pink baby lips by Maybelline. And then also something I did love was these Sephora lipsticks that are like a lip stain, and this was just a nude color, and I did wear this a couple times, which was really fun, just to look pretty. Whatever you get, if you do like you are into lip color, get something that's long lasting that you're not going to be reapplying every 5 minutes. I will share with you guys, oh shoot, I'm going to share with you guys my most favorite lip product of all time. They are actually these, and I have like half of the collection that they sell at the drugstore. These Maybelline Stay Matte inks are amazing, and they will stay on all day through and through. And they come in a lot of natural colors as well. A couple of my favorite natural colors are these ones actually. Can I get these up here? Let's get this Beauty Guru shot. There we go. I think those were all upside down. They literally were. Oh my gosh. There we go. Get that Beauty Guru shot. Yep, Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. These are some of my favorites. They will literally last all day. I like them. They're very moisturizing, I feel like, and the color stays really pretty, and they're not as vibrant as you see in the packaging too. They're very natural. I don't have anything on right now, but yeah, I love these. So that is a great thing to get to if you're into lip colors. And then finally, to finish off, this is actually something I discovered on my mission that I super love, getting rid of facial hair. Whether that be your eyebrows or, you know, whatever. These little razors are super nice for just getting rid of like kind of whatever little hairs that you want to get rid of. And then also a pair of tweezers, obviously. And then I also suggest bringing a face mask. This is a Glam Glow thing that I got for free at Sephora. I love them. But just bringing a nice like face mask or a really nice moisturizer to just kind of treat yourself every once in a while is very nice and very rewarding as a missionary. So I definitely suggest that. Guys, that is all the makeup I brought. And as far as taking my makeup off, I'm not a makeup wipe girl, because one, they're expensive, and two, like, you just go through them so fast. So I have actually came to love the Erase Your Face washcloths. They are makeup removal washcloths that literally feel like a fleece blanket, and they are meant to remove makeup. So this is amazing. They come in packs of 4, and what I would do is I would honestly just get in the shower or just get some hot water. This takes all my makeup off, and then I would wash my face, and then all you have to do is just wash these in the normal washing machine, and they completely come back brand new, and they look amazing. They're super soft, and then you don't have to buy makeup wipes and have them with you all the time. Like, that's just a really nice way to go. Love it. It's a little bit more environmentally friendly than makeup wipes. And so yeah, that is all the makeup, guys, I brought with me. I hope these tips were helpful. If you have any questions or advice for other girls or for me, leave them in the comments down below, along with other video requests. And yeah, make sure you guys like this video and share it with somebody that's heading out into the mission field that, you know, is a makeup fan. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Bye!